Okay, so now I want to show you how to turn the gearhead on the new angle grinders, WS8, 11, 12 or 15. So what's special then about the grinder is you can have the switch on the top side, that's how it comes from the factory. You can also have it on the left side if you're used to having it on the left side, or if you're a left-handed guy, you can also have it on the right side of the grinder. So to do that, you don't have to be an electrician or anything, or repair shop. You can do it by your own. Just take a normal impact driver, drill driver, like the new ACM for example. Just remove them. And then you just hold it like that and just turn it. So you don't pull it out because then the whole armature will come out. Just turn it whatever direction you want to have it. For example, like this on the left side, if you want to have it on the left side. Just fix it again. And do that with all 4 screws. Put on the guard. Put on your side handle. That's how you do it. Have the switch on the left side and you can just go grind.